Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Englishholic Expressions. I'm your host, and today we are learning a useful American English expression. Money went out. At first, this expression sounds strange. You might think, money went out where? Did it leave the house? Did it go shopping? Of course not. In American expression, when a body part goes out, it means it suddenly becomes painful, weak, strained, injured, or stopped working properly. My knee went out. वो होता है कि जैसे हमारे लाइफ में डेली लाइफ में कहीं दर्द हो रहा होता है या वीकनेस महसूस होती है या लचक आ जाती है, जिन्हें हम आम उर्दू या हिंदी में कहते हैं लचक आ जाना, या हल्की फुल्की चोट लग जाती है जिससे वो एरिया, चाहे वो नी हो, एल्बो हो, शोल्डर हो, काम करना थोड़ी देर के लिए मतलब वीकनेस महसूस हो, तो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं। अगेन आप सुनिए, अगर कोई बॉडी पार्ट पेनफुल हो, वीक हो, स्ट्रेन्ड हो, इंजर्ड हो या प्रॉपर काम नहीं कर रहा हो, तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? गोज़ आउट, और इन द पास्ट टेंस इट बिकम्स वैन आउट। उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गया होगा। ओके, व्हाट डज माई नी वैन आउट मीन इन इंग्लिश? दैट मीन माई नी गॉट इंजर्ड, यानी इंजर्ड हो गया। माई नी सडनली बिकेम वीक, या वीक हो गया। माई नी ट्विस्टेड, ट्विस्टेड भी हो जाता है। आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड इन हिंदी। माई नी इज़ हर्टिंग बैडली, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा शदीद दर्द कर रहा है। माई नी इज़ नॉट फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली, या नी जो है वो प्रॉपरली फंक्शन नहीं कर रहा है। इट डजंट मीन अ ब्रोकन बोन, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस। इसका मतलब हड्डी टूटना बिल्कुल नहीं है, ब्रोकन बोन बिल्कुल नहीं है। यूजली इट मीन्स द जॉइंट वॉज स्ट्रेन्ड, ट्विस्टेड और बिकेम अनस्टेबल। इसका मतलब है कि जॉइंट जो है उसमें स्ट्रेन आ गया और वो प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं कर रहा है। लिसन एंड रिपीट। माई नी वैन आउट। Please listen it carefully and repeat after me. My knee went out. Actually, this word is went out. बहुत से लोग टी का भी साउंड देते हैं, बट आप जो है इसे went out पढ़िए, बिकॉज एन के साउंड से टी जो है वो लो साउंड करेगा, एंड वेन बिकम्स वेन, WENT, went, but you have to pronounce it WEN, when. My knee went out. If you want to sound like a native speaker, you have to drop T here. Repeat again. My knee went out. My knee went out. ओके, जब आप रियल लाइफ में इसे बोलोगे, हाउ कैन यू से दिस? आउच, माई नी वैन आउट। आउच, माई नी वैन आउट। Yesterday my knee went out. Yesterday my knee went out. Another sentence. My knee went out when I was running. Let's suppose आप दौड़ रहे थे और आपको स्ट्रेन आ गया, तो सेंटेंस क्या होगा? My knee went out while I was running. Okay, here are some other vocabularies as well. To stretch a muscle too much, that means strain. I strained my knee during exercise. इसका मतलब होता है पट्टे या जोड़ पर ज़्यादा जोर आ जाना. Right? Strain means I strained my knee during exercise. It is same as my knee went out. Okay? Twist. To turn a body part in the wrong direction. To turn a body part in the wrong direction. Example, I twisted my ankle. मुड़ जाना, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहेंगे मुड़ जाना. I twisted my ankle. It is as same as my ankle went out. Injury, that means physical damage to the body. He suffered a knee injury. It is as same as my knee went out. His knee went out. Because the sentence is, he suffered a knee injury. His knee went out. चोट लगना. Joint, the place where two bones meet. The place where two bones meet. The knee is a joint. जोड़ है वो. Other body parts then can go out. और बॉडी के कौन से मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स में आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं गो आउट को या गोज़ आउट को. इन पास्ट टेंस went out. For example, my back went out. My back went out while lifting a heavy box. सेंटेंस को हमने लंबा किया. My back went out while lifting a heavy box. हेवी बॉक्स उठाते हुए मेरा बैग जो है वो उसमें लचक आ गई, मोच आ गई, ये स्ट्रेन आ गया. Another sentence, my back suddenly became painful. It is as same as my back went out. My neck went out. My neck went out after sleeping in a bad position. It happens with many people during sleep. When they hit the sack, their neck become strained. जब भी वो सोते हैं तो क्या होता है बहुत से लोगों के साथ कि नेक में जो है वो स्ट्रेन हो जाता है, स्ट्रेनिंग आ जाती है. सो क्या बोलेंगे उसको? My neck went out after sleeping in a bad position. That means my neck became stiff and painful. Another part of the body, my shoulder went out. Please listen my podcast carefully and you will able to use new expression like a native speaker. That's why I'm taking pause so you can listen and repeat after me. My shoulder went out. Okay. My shoulder went out during a tennis match. My shoulder went out during a tennis match. What does that mean? That means my shoulder got injured. अब टेनिस मैच के दौरान शोल्डर में प्रॉब्लम हुई है तो दैट मीन्स इंजरी हुई है। सो सेंटेंस क्या हुआ? माई शोल्डर वैन आउट ड्यूरिंग अ टेनिस मैच। Another part of the body. My ankle went out. My ankle went out. My ankle went out while I was hiking. That's a real life sentence. Whenever you go to hiking, so it happens. My ankle went out while I was hiking. That means my ankle twisted or became painful. My ankle went out while I was hiking. Okay, let's speak in a fluent way. My ankle went out while I was hiking. My ankle went out while I was hiking. Okay, here is a small dialogue. Tom, do you want to play basketball this weekend? Jack, I'd love to, but my knee went out. Tom, ouch, how did that happen? Jack, it happened while I was playing soccer. टॉम कहता है क्या तुम डू यू वांट टू प्ले बास्केटबॉल दिस वीकेंड, क्या तुम इस वीकेंड जो है बास्केटबॉल खेलना चाहोगे? जैक कहता आईड लव टू, यानी आई वुड लव टू, मुझे अच्छा लगता, बट माई नी वैन आउट, बट मेरे जो नी है उसमें स्ट्रेन आ गया। टॉम कहता है आउच, हाउ डिड दैट हैपन, कैसे हुआ? जैक, इट हैपेंड व्हाइल आई वाज प्लेइंग सॉकर, जब मैं सॉकर खेल रहा था तब ये हुआ। लेट्स ट्राई अनदर वन। सैरा, कोई चीज़ अगर आपको समझ नहीं आए, पॉज द वीडियो एंड लिसन इट केयरफुली। Sarah, why are you walking so slowly? सारा, तुम इतने स्लोली क्यों चल रही हो? My back went out yesterday. मेरी कमर में जो है ना वो दर्द है। That sounds painful. Emma, trust me it is. Everyday examples, you can use it in your daily conversation, or you can explain your state of body. My knee went out while climbing the stairs. बहुत से लोग स्टेयर्स चलते हैं, क्या होता है? स्ट्रेनिंग आ जाती है, नी में आ सकती है, नी कैप में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। My knee went out while climbing the stairs. My knee went out while climbing the stairs. That happens with people when they climb the stairs. बहुत से लोग सीढ़ी चढ़ते हैं, उनके नी कैप में अगर इशू हो या नहीं भी हो तो पेनफुल हो जाता है, स्ट्रेनिंग आ जाती है। My shoulder went out at the gym. Okay, keep one thing in your mind. Went out is the past tense. अगर किसी को नॉर्मली ये होता रहता है तो फिर आप went out नहीं बोलेंगे, बल्कि बोलेंगे my shoulder goes out at the gym. When some people hit the gym, they normally their shoulder goes out. That means कि रोज़ाना के मामूल पे उसके साथ ये हो रहा है. So goes out is the present tense and went out is the past tense. Okay. My back went out when I picked up my suitcase. Suitcase अगर heavy होता है तो sometimes बैग जो होता है वो painful हो जाता है. My back went out when I picked up my suitcase. Next sentence. My neck went out after a long flight. ये बहुत कॉमन सेंटेंस है. जब आप फ्लाइट से आते हो तो नॉर्मली आपका नेक जो है वो दुखता है तो हुआ my neck went out after a long flight. My ankle went out during the football game. ये भी होता है एथलीट्स के साथ. My neck went out during the football game. Okay, common questions. Can I say I broke my knee? Usually no. Native speakers rarely say that. If the knee is not fractured but simply injured, they often say, my knee went out. That means my knee got hurt. I injured my knee. Is this formal? Not really. My knee went out is informal American English. Doctors usually say, you have a knee injury. You strained your knee. But my friends and family often say, my knee went out. Funny reality check. When we are young, we jump, we run, we play sports, nothing hurts. Then one day you stand up from a chair and suddenly my back went out. A few weeks later, my neck went out. Then my knee went out. And you start making noises every time you stand up. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. My knee went out. Now it's your turn. Okay, next sentence. My back went out. Next sentence. My shoulder went out. Next sentence. My ankle went out. Are you repeating with me or not? Next sentence. My neck went out. I'd love to come, but my knee went out. Ouch! How did that happen? It happened while I was playing soccer. Okay, here's a challenge for you guys. You have to answer me in the comment section. Create your own sentence. My dash went out. My dash went out. My blank went out. You have to fill the blank, okay? Examples. Again, I'm giving you example. My back went out while gardening. My back went out while gardening. My shoulder went out at the gym. My shoulder went out at the gym. My shoulder went out at the gym. That's called fluency. When you practice, you can speak in a fluent way. My ankle went out during a hike. My ankle went out during a hike. My ankle went out during a hike. Practice saying it 5 times out loud. The more you speak, the more fluent you become. Thanks for listening to Englisholic Expression. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next episode. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.